Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 automation features in Scarcity Manager that we use to automate eBay dropshipping. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling online full-time for over 25 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. Okay, so the first feature to automate your dropship business is Supplier Inventory Checking. What this feature does is Scarcity Manager continually automatically checks your dropship supplier's inventory levels, and if your supplier runs out of stock of any item, Scarcity Manager automatically makes your eBay or Amazon listings show 0 available, so people cannot purchase them. To make this feature work, you simply add the URL of your supplier into Scarcity Manager and then click Enable. Now Scarcity Manager will continually check to make sure this item is in stock, and if it runs out of stock, SM will automatically make the eBay listing show 0 available. The next feature I want to show you is really useful to reduce customer service and prevent eBay defects for late arrivals. This is a very powerful feature for reducing customer emails and stopping defects on eBay. The reason this feature works so well is because a lot of eBay buyers have totally unrealistic expectations about delivery times. Before we implemented this feature, we used to get bombarded with emails from eBay buyers asking when their item would be delivered. They might have only purchased the item yesterday, but today they're asking, where is it? So what this feature does is it automatically emails buyers immediately after they purchase anything on eBay, telling them the expected delivery time. What this does is it sets up a realistic delivery expectation with them straight away as soon as they purchase the item. Let me show you. In Scarcity Manager, click on eBay emails, and here you can set up 2 different emails and schedule them at 2 different times, i.e. immediately after the buyer purchases, and the second email 1, 2 or 3 days later, to again remind them of the expected delivery times. Again, this is awesome to cut down on emails, and even more importantly, to immediately set up the correct delivery expectations for your buyer. The next automation feature is the repricing feature, where SM or Scarcity Manager can automatically mark up prices based on your supplier's cost price. And it also has a price tracker feature that monitors your competitors' prices and adjusts your prices accordingly. To add the markup to any listing, simply add the percentage in the supply section. In this example, the markup is set at 35%. To add repricing based on your competitors' prices, simply add the 12-digit number for one competitor or up to 6 competitors per listing. The next automation feature is for the mental trigger called scarcity. This feature keeps the quantity showing available on eBay to a very low number, i.e. only one available. The way this works is human beings purchase more when items appear to be out of stock or running out of stock, i.e. only one remaining. The airlines have been doing this same strategy for literally decades. If any item on eBay has 10 available, there's no scarcity. There's no urgency to purchase the item right now. If the item has only 1 remaining or about to run out of stock, there is a good reason to buy right now. This strategy works especially well when a listing has already sold, i.e. 1 sold, 10 sold, 5 sold, 50 sold, whatever. In the industry, this is called social proof, i.e. 1 sold, 5 sold, 10 sold, etc. Combining the 2 mental triggers, social proof and scarcity, is a very powerful marketing tool. What Scarcity Manager does is it keeps the quantity low, i.e. 1 available. Then as soon as the item sells, SM automatically adds another, just like the airlines do with their seats. The next feature is the hot product research. With this feature, Scarcity Manager can show you the best-selling eBay items in any category in the USA, Canada, UK and Australia. As an example, in Australia, if I search the pet toys category, this item is sold 22,385 times by this one seller. If you click on the item number on the left, Scarcity Manager will open the eBay listing so you can see the exact item. The next feature is a feature that we use for placing orders with suppliers. We accidentally discovered this and it saves a ton of times and stops ordering mistakes. First of all, before I show you that, one feature that Scarcity Manager doesn't offer is automatic ordering from suppliers. However, this is for a very good reason, as it's a much better way, as I'll show you. The reason Scarcity Manager does not offer automated ordering is Scarcity Manager supports thousands of dropship suppliers all over the world, and every supplier is different. Some dropship suppliers have an interface that allows automated ordering, but most dropship suppliers don't. In fact, less than 3% of dropship suppliers have an interface that allows automatic ordering. If you only use dropship suppliers that allow automatic ordering, you miss out on all the other thousands of dropship suppliers, and there's no need to, as I'll show you. This is how we automate the ordering process, and it works with every dropship supplier that we use. Every time an item sells on eBay, you get an email with the name and delivery address of the buyer. and also the 12-digit eBay listing number of the item that is sold. You simply copy that 12-digit number. Then go to Scarcity Manager and do a search for that 12-digit number. Straight away, you'll see the link to the supplier of that exact item and also a Go button. If you click on the Go button, it will open that exact item at your supplier's website. The big advantage of this strategy is it opens the exact correct product every time and eliminates the possibility of accidentally ordering the wrong product. Then once you've learned how to do this simple ordering strategy, you can easily get an overseas low-cost virtual assistant from $1 an hour to do all your ordering for you from any supplier. I'm not going to go into how and where to get virtual assistants from $1 per hour in this video, as I've done that before in a previous week's video. But if you missed that video, I'll put a link up here and I'll also put it below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.